Hi everyone, today I am representing about a course registration system implemented in Java. This project demonstrates key object-oriented programming OOPS concepts like encapsulation, object composition, association between classes, use of dynamic data structures like ArrayList. This project is not about course registration system. It is about how OOPS concepts are implemented in this project. Let's see the code. In this project, we have 5 classes: main class, course class, student class, registration form class, and registration manager class. So let's go to the code. Here, this is the main. This is the main class. Main class is the starting point of the program, and this is the student class. Student class which stores the student ID and student name. Nothing but student details. And here Here, course class. Course class which stores course code and course name. Nothing but course details. And registration form. It connects one student to many courses. It means one student can register to many courses. And registration manager. Manages all registration records. Who stores all registration records. So let's go to the main class. Here we have given that Joe. Joe is the student name and Math01 is the course name. So here we are send all these details to the registration manager through registration form. Here you can see that. Here we submitted course details and student details. Student name Joe and Math01 is the course name. So let's go to the student class. Here student class. Here we have private string name. It has a encapsulation concept involved in it. Encapsulation is nothing but no outside class can directly access or modify them. Here we can give a private string name. It means name cannot be accessed from the outside of the class. It means it protects the data from accidental or unauthorized changes. So these are private variables. And encapsulation concept only stores the needed data and it hides the internal data, and it can also has constructor. This is the controlled way to initialize the this constructor is a controlled way to initialize the values of code and name. And also encapsulation has getter method and setter method. Getter method safely gives access to the code value, and set code allows updating the value. So let's go to the course class. Here, course class is also another example of encapsulation. Here we can given that private string course code. Course code is the private data, which means it cannot be accessed from the outside of the class. Here we have constructor. This is the constructor. And we can use get course code. These are the methods which are involved in the encapsulation. Okay, next go to the registration form. Registration form is an example for composition. What is composition? Composition means which has a strong relationship. Here we can given private registration manager. Here we can given student name and course name. these are the objects. We can give in values. Here, registration form has the student and list of courses. We have seen that this is a composition. It contains objects from other classes. So composition means have a strong morning. It means without student class and without code class, registration form is nothing. It means meaningless. It can't work without student and course. So let's go to the registration manager. Registration manager holds a list of registration forms and you can add registrations and manage or display them later. So let's see the sequence diagram of this course registration system. Here we have 5 classes: main, student, course, registration form, and registration manager. So main creates a student class. Main creates a student object and main creates two course objects. And main passes student and list of courses to the registration manager through the registration form. So main calls add registration. Here, this is the add registration. So add registration on the registration manager. Then registration manager stores the form in the list. He stores the form in the list and then response. Here response is passed back up to the chain. It means your registration is confirmed or not. This is the sending way. So let's go to the code output. Here command prompt. We have command to run the Java code. First we have to compile the code to run the code. So for the compiling of the code, we have command for Java C class name. What we have? Class name main dot Java. This is the syntax Java C class name dot Java. So here it compiled. So then we have command for run Java class name. Here registered Joe for course Math 01. Here we seen that. See here we have given Joe Math 01. So Joe for course Math 01 registered. So this is the output of this program. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Please like and subscribe, share for more Java content. Thank you. Thank you for watching.